Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my new glasses. So these are the Laser 4048 Gold Aviator Glasses. So I'll show you them. So far everyone likes them. They're very sexy. Oh, I'll show you my old ones as well. So this is it. Have a look guys. I'll close this up for you. Bit hard to do this with one hand. Alright. There you go. These are the glasses. They're pretty smart actually. The Gold Aviator Glasses. So Aviator Glasses are like pilot glasses. They're in fashion now apparently. So main reason I got these is because my old glasses are falling apart. I've had them for 2 years. And yeah, they're just falling apart. So I thought it's time for a change anyway. So might as well. So as you can see, the Laser Plus 4048. They're all the measurements there. I can't remember what is what. Something to do with the distance between. One is a measurement for the distance between these points. One is a measurement of how big this glass is. One measurement is the length of this from your ear and stuff like that. But yeah, that's none of it's relevant for you unless you're buying it yourself and stuff. So these are prescription glasses. So I do have a lens in there. I don't like how dirty this is. Let me just wipe this. It looks a bit dirty. Okay guys, that's a bit better. Yeah, so these are prescription lenses because I do wear glasses if you've seen me in my videos. Yeah, so can you see this green light, green reflection? That's an anti-reflective coating, anti-something coating. Let's have a look what it's called. Anti-glare coating. So if you got glasses and you just get glasses normally without this coating, so say you're driving at night time. I do a lot of driving at night, especially because it is dark now. People's tail lights, headlights, when you see them, there'll be full on lines through them, basically blinding you. That's what it'll look like if you don't have the anti-glare coating. That's how I found out the hard way with my old glasses. Then you have to pay for that coating, and yeah, but this one I've already got it done while I got these new glasses and the lens put in. So these are fine, these work really good. And on top of that, I had a coating to make it less dirty, so it won't get as dirty. Basically fingerprints won't show up as well. Only reason you can see it right now is because of the flash is on. I can't see it personally, like without the flash on I can't see it. Like on my old glasses, they used to get dirty. I used to wipe them every day, 2-3 times a day. These glasses I wipe them every 3-4 days. You see the big difference, just that one extra lens coating does. So you can coat this in loads of different things. There's loads of different lens coatings you can do nowadays. There's a UV one, there's a tint one, so when you go outside and it's sunny, these will automatically tint to black. That's pretty cool as well, but that's an expensive one. I think it was £80 or something. So yeah, let's see. Alright, so these are online. They sell for, let's have a look, £40, brand new. Yeah, and the lens usually the lens is about £40 to £50 itself, but these guys do for free. And yeah, this is a coating, £25. This is just a random company online, so it comes to £64.99, £65 basically. I paid £50. I didn't do it to these guys. I went to a shop that I usually go to anyway, and they sorted me out. He knocked some money off basically. So yeah, what was I gonna say? The shop has more rent and stuff, like they have more costs, so their price of the glasses was higher. But that's because they're not an online only shop. They actually have a shop to run, they have rent to pay, people's wages to pay, stuff like that. So they have to pass on these costs to the customer usually. So yeah, that's why these cost more than normal, because I did get quite a chunk discounted off. Okay, so yeah, these are very good glasses. I like them. Let me show you my old ones. So the one I had previously which I've been wearing for a while, 2 years I think, maybe 3. Okay, so these are the ones you've seen me wear on my videos. So as you can see, they're very dirty right now. Can you see the difference? And these are wiped every time I wear them basically. Look how dirty they are. Fucking hell. So yeah, that, and can you see the green light on there? The flash turning green because that's got anti-reflective coating on it, whatever it's called, anti-glare. So every 2 weeks, every couple of months, this was falling apart. Look, can you see? The whole thing was just falling apart. Can you see? Look how loose that is. No matter how tight I make it, do the same thing again. Same with this side. These constantly being changed out. The breaking. This shit material. What else is there? Something else was wrong with this. It just bends. It's bent somewhere as well. Can't remember. But yeah, these are long overdue to be changed. These are shit. I'll show you what I look like with both of these on. I think these ones make me look better. I've had quite a few compliments actually in this one, by men and women, which is mad. So yeah, let's go ahead. Look at the difference in the design. It's more angular design, as you can see, and you get the gold frame, which is nice. And yeah, in person they look much better. This flash doesn't help it how it looks. Let's do a side profile, and then I'll show you my glasses even before that. So these are my first ever glasses when I was a kid, I think, because they're tiny. So as you can see, each time the lens get bigger. Can you see? Small, bigger, because I like bigger lens, because yeah, it just covers more, so you don't have to, like, a section of the what you're looking at isn't unblurred, basically blurry, I mean. Okay, so these are my oldest glasses. As you can see, these are tiny, they're very thin. If I wore these now, I'd look like a donkey. Look at the difference though. But yeah, these were quality frames, very good frames. Never had an issue with these. Only thing is I outgrew them. My head got big. Like, look, this is quite thin. This was a kid's one. But the quality on this frame is amazing. It lasted all these years. It's frameless at the bottom as well. It's pretty cool. And even these are quality there. Good quality. Okay, I'll wear them all now so you can see them. What I look like with them on. As you can see, guys, these are the oldest glasses. They're fucking shit. They barely fit my head. They look horrible, guys. Let me get the next one out. These are my next recent glasses. Fucking hell, they're tiny. Okay, so this is the pair you always see me on my channel with. My most recent pair. Then I'll show you my latest one. It doesn't look bad. It looks okay. It's just long overdue being changed because it's just breaking apart, you know. Now look, guys. Now I look like something out of an Indian Bollywood movie, guys. Gangster. You know what I mean? Joking, guys, I'm joking. But it does look better. It's much more trendy glasses type, which I like. And yeah, I like it a lot. Have a look. This is the side profile. What do you think, guys? I think this is the best glasses I have. Pretty nice, isn't it? Fantastic. How do I zoom in without that might have to do. Yeah, these are perfect glasses, guys. So yeah, would I recommend them? 100% I'd recommend them. Amazing glasses, guys. Yeah, these are the best glasses I've had so far. Hopefully next ones will be even better. But yeah, everything's gonna cost me a lot of money. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll give you a quick sneak preview of what is to come on the channel. MSI Sakira. Yeah, I'm building a gaming PC, so stay tuned for all that. You're gonna enjoy that. It's gonna be a very big build. Be ready, guys.